In the quiet I can hear it, like a rhythm in my chest. Something shifting, something waking, something rising from its rest. It's not loud, but it is steady, like a truth I can't deny. Like a voice beneath the silence, like a reason I should try. I was caught in silent battles, fighting wars I couldn't see. Every doubt became a prison built for my own memory. I was trying to be stronger, but I felt I couldn't stand. Every dream was slowly fading, like it slipped from my own hands. I believed the voice of failure, I believed I wasn't enough, that the road was far too broken, that the climb was far too rough. But beneath the noise and chaos, there was something soft and true, a reminder deep within me, saying you can still break through. Now the silence feels like healing, now the darkness turns to light. Every breath becomes a promise, every step becomes a fight. This is the sound of becoming, this is the rise of my soul. Every piece that felt so broken is now making me whole. I am stronger than the silence, I am louder than the fear. Every step I took is healing, every moment brings me near to the life I've always carried, to the truth I couldn't see. I was never truly lost, I was becoming me. Every scar became a doorway, every fall became a guide. Every tear became a river, washing out from deep inside. I can feel it in my breathing, I can hear it in my name. I am not the same as yesterday, I will never be the same. Let it rise, let it grow, let it lead me where I go. I am stronger than I know. Let it rise, let it grow, let it lead me where I go. I am stronger than I know. This is the sound of the coming, every step is setting free. And the voice I kept on searching was always inside.